Welcome to this video on how to issue a refund receipt in QuickBooks Online. My name is Matt Hultquist with the QuickBooks University, and so you're going to come across certain situations in your business, or if you are working for somebody and doing the books for them, where you have to issue a refund to customers in QuickBooks Online. And so I want to show you how to do that in QuickBooks Online here. So what we're going to do, we're going to go up to the Quick Create menu, the little plus sign up there. And you're going to see an option over here for customers that says refund receipt. Okay, so you're going to use this anytime you need to issue a refund to a customer. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to choose a customer. We're going to say Amy's Bird Sanctuary. It should fill in, all the information that you have in there. You're going to choose your payment method. Okay, so if you refunded money to Amy at Amy's Bird Sanctuary using a credit card, and you did that separately, you're going to choose the credit card that you did it on. Okay, so if you just credited her account or issued a refund to her account, you can do it that way. Many times what you're going to run into is you have to write a check. Okay, you're going to write a check to Amy or Amy's Bird Sanctuary to give her a refund. All right, so we're going to choose check. And then we're going to say refund from. Okay, we're going to write this out of our checking account. So we're going to choose this. It's going to tell us the balance and the check number. All right. So if you hand wrote a check, you're going to put in that check number right here. If you're going to print this from QuickBooks, you're going to choose print later. All right. And then you're going to go and you're going to print your checks and issue this refund. All right. So now what you have to do, you have to choose what this was for. Okay, so what was this refund for? This is from your product and service list. It's called an item list in QuickBooks Desktop. But these are all the items that you sell. So let's say that this was for an installation, and she maybe was upset about something and she had already paid, and you said, I'll tell you what, we're going to give you a refund of $200 on this installation because we understand it can be frustrating, and so we want to make good on this. All right. So in this case, there's no sales tax here, okay, because this is a service. All right. So if there was sales tax, you would be refunding the amount that they paid plus the sales tax. All right. And this is going to be important when you do file your sales tax returns to make sure you capture that. All right, so in this case, this is a service. This is $200 we are refunding to Amy's Bird Sanctuary. And what you can do is down here, you can choose print or preview if you want to go ahead and just print it now, or you can preview what this is going to look like. We are going to save and close. As we wait here, okay, so refund successfully issued to Amy's Bird Sanctuary. We hit OK. And if we go up here to the Quick Create menu and we go down to print checks, all right, we're going to see we've got to do the print setup here. Let me say that I'm finished with the setup. All right, let me go back to print checks. All right, so we're going to see here's our check here that we need to print from QuickBooks Online for $200 to Amy's Bird Sanctuary. All right. And then you're going to follow the typical, procedures to print these checks. So that's basically it. All right. So again, you're going to use this when you need to issue a refund to a customer for whatever reason. And you print this check, or again, you can do it by credit card, whatever the case may be, but you're going to get that refund to your customer. Any questions, any comments, feel free to leave them below this video. And also, head over to the QuickBooks University, where I will teach you everything you need to know about QuickBooks and more, and answer your personal questions when you become a member. Head over there. Now it's qbuniversity.org.